In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint. Let's build an FAQ page. By the end, you'll have a clean, searchable hub where people can quickly find answers, and you'll know exactly how to set it up and keep it up to date. Start by opening SharePoint and heading to the site where you want the FAQ to live. It's best to choose a site your audience already visits, like a team or department site, and make sure you have permission to create and publish pages there. At the top of the site, select New, then choose Page. This opens the page creation experience. Here, look for a template that includes an FAQ web part. If you see a template specifically designed for FAQs, select it, then click Use this template. This jump starts your layout and places the FAQ component on the page automatically, saving you time on formatting. With the page in edit mode, connect your source material. Upload your reference files, things like policies, existing FAQs, and training documents, so the FAQ web part has accurate, approved content to work with. Use the most up-to-date versions and clear file names, and avoid drafts or duplicate documents to keep answers consistent. Most common file types are fine, including Word, PDF, and PowerPoint. Once your references are added, the AI in the FAQ experience will suggest categories and common questions based on those files. Treat this as a starting point, review every suggestion for accuracy and tone, edit the wording to match your organization's style, clarify any ambiguous terms, and remove anything you don't want users to see. Reorder categories and questions so the most frequent or critical topics appear first. If you notice a gap, add your own questions and concise answers manually. Keep each answer short, scannable, and linked to the source document when helpful, so people can dive deeper if they need details. As you refine, think about findability. Use clear, non-technical category names and include common synonyms or alternate phrasing in the question text so search picks them up. If your audience spans locations or roles, note any differences right in the answer to prevent confusion. When everything looks good, save your work and publish the page so users can access it. After publishing, consider adding it to your site navigation or homepage so it's easy to discover. From here, plan to review the page regularly. Whenever policies change or you see new recurring questions, update the content so your FAQ remains a trusted current resource. That's it. Your SharePoint FAQ page is live, organized, and ready to help your users get answers fast.